Out the box installation for the Casio SE-C3500 cash register. Please note, if ShopStuff have programmed your machine, then there is no need to perform this procedure. However, if you've taken it on a service without programming, then this procedure needs to be performed. First of all, we need to load some memory protection batteries and some thermal till roll. To do this, remove the printer cover. Gently lift up the platen arms, taking care to remove any leftover paper. The battery case is next to the receipt roll. Once you've got the case moved off, you can pop your batteries in and place the case in. To load the till rolls, it's thermal paper, and you need to load it so the shiny side is facing down. Just drop them in the printer well and close the platen arm. That's the receipt roll. And then the same for the journal roll. Drop the paper, shiny side facing down, into the printer well. Close over. We'll feed the journal roll onto the actual spool later on. So for now, let's pop our casing back on. Tear off the receipt roll. You can now turn the machine on, providing that the machine is in the off position. You'll be given a choice of language, so to select English, you simply arrow down to English and press cash amount end. You can then put in the date, month, year and time. So we'll say it's the 21st of June for argument's sake, 2-1. Scroll down to month for June, 06. Scroll down to year, 2013, 1-3. Enter the time, we'll say it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 1300. That doesn't quite work. 13. Oh, there we go, 1313. So we'll say it's 13 minutes past 1 in the afternoon. Press cash amount 10 once you're happy with your date and time. If you did want to change it, you can simply go over what's already there, and there's also an option to change the date and time later on in the programming screen. Once you're happy, press cash amount 10, and the machine will now perform its initialisation procedure. You'll know this is complete when it prints a receipt out the front of the machine and says that it's complete on the display. Okay, now we've got the opportunity to input tax rates. If you're not calculating tax on the machine, then you can leave these at blank, but it's dead easy to set up. So to set tax rate 1 at 20%, you simply type in 20, as tax 1 is already highlighted. Arrow down to tax 2. To set that to 5%, you simply type in 5. When you're happy with all the settings, cash amount 10. You've now got your printing out the front of the machine saying that it's been reset, and you can now turn the key round to the reg position and the machine will be ready to operate, or you can turn the key round to the program position to start your main PLU programming. Tear this receipt off and then load our journal paper onto the spool. It's best to find a nice straight edge and then load it on the spool through the 2 clips. Once it's gone through the 2 clips, you can wind it tightly so the paper's looping round. There we go. And drop it into place at the back of the machine. You can check it's done it correctly by pressing the journal feed button. We can see the spool is moving round and the till paper is billowing everywhere, so that's loaded correctly. So yeah, as I say, you can now either turn the mode lock to programming to start programming your machine, or you can put sales through straight away in the register position. For more information on the SE-C3500, please visit ShopStuff, or for technical support see cashregisters-uk.co.uk. Thanks for watching.